Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Maths channel. This question is year 1 from year 1 student. And office, this is a using the epsilon delta language to prove limit. And for the part A, I use triangle inequality given that so that if x is real number such that x minus 1 is between 0 and 1, and then x plus 1 is less than 3. And here we only use triangle inequality. X plus 1 can be written as x minus 1 plus 2. And then by triangular inequality, we have this one. By triangular inequality, and x minus 1 is less than 1, then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, x plus 1 is less than 3. And for the second part, 2x squared minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 and can be written as, can be simplified as 2x squared minus 2 and factorize the 2 outside and also factor inside x minus 1, x plus 1. And by the previous part, x plus 1 is less than 3. Then this can be changed inequality sign 2 times x minus 1 times 3. Then we prove the inequality. That question 1. Okay, for part B is using epsilon delta. For all epsilon greater than 0, there is delta. Delta, what is delta? We hold this one and calculate it by using the inequality estimate. Okay, and then for x minus 1 greater than 0 less than delta. And here, use this minus this one. By the previous session, we have 6 times absolute x, and therefore, if we want this is less than epsilon, then we have to check delta is equal to epsilon over 6. Epsilon over 6. And also, of course, we have choose it is minimum of something. Minimum of 1. Here 1 is an arbitrary number. You can choose another number, and for example, you can choose 0.1 or 0.1 or 0.1, whatever you like. Just a critical number only. Okay. Then I erase here. And has x less than x minus 1 less than delta, and delta I take minimum of 1 or epsilon over 6. Therefore, this is 6 times epsilon over 6. Then less than, and it's which is equal to epsilon. Therefore, the limit x tend to 1. 2x squared minus 1 is actually equal to 1. That is the proof of the limit by using the Delta-Epsilon language. And for example, if we I say more words about this question. If low part A, we just want to want you to prove limit x tend to 1, 2x squared minus 1 is actually equal to 1. We may write like that for all epsilon greater than 0. There is delta, which is equal minimum or something. Okay, hold this one and fill it later. And for all x lie between 0 and delta, then we want to prove 2x squared minus 1 minus 1 is less than epsilon. I finally hope I can get this goal. Okay, and then factorize 2x minus 1 x plus 1, and here we have to use something to estimate this part, the upper bound of this part, so that times 2, and then this is epsilon, this is delta we choose. That is delta we choose. Okay, now if we choose epsilon x minus 1 less than 0.1, or even you can choose 0.1, then by the triangular inequality, x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 plus 2 less than, this is 0.01 plus 2, 2.01. Then we can estimate this one with 2 absolute 2 times absolute x minus 1 times 0.1. Oh, sorry, 2. Sorry, 2. This is 4.02 absolute minus x. In this case, we can choose minimum, delta is minimum equal to 0.01, and this we hope we can get this, obtain this destination. Therefore, the delta should be, the x minus 1, the delta should be take epsilon over 4.02, epsilon over 4.02. Then fill this gap. This is so that we can prove limit x tend to 1, 2x squared minus 1 equal to 1. And later, I hope that I can post more about more video about this kind of this type of question, and how to use the language of delta epsilon to prove limit or even continuity of some of a function, the continuity of some function. And hope guys, hope I can help you to understand more. And please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.